Welcome everyone. Good morning from beautiful sunny Tennessee here. Hope you guys are doing well. What are we up to today? All right, here in the Tennessee Visitor Center here, we've got the Tennessee Civil War connection here. Tough men and even tougher war there. Yeah, and then down here in these ammunition boxes, got a little recreation of the Civil War. In fact, I think. Weird. That's very interesting. Well, let's go see if we can find a view of the river on the other side of the truck parking. See, I never give up that easy. The rest area is behind me up on the top of the hill up there. I'm just trying to find the river, man. And I did find somewhat of a makeshift little trail through here. I don't know if it's an animal trail or if somebody else that wasn't from here decided to do this as well. But let's follow this down here. All right, let's just sign up here, say, danger, turbulent water. Water rises suddenly without warning. Well, we found it, guys. The Caney Fork. We can get closer. I'll bet people from this part of the Smoky Mountains, they're probably ready for the leaves to start growing again and the branches to have color in them again, but I still think it's pretty. The Caney Fork River there. And continuing on, look at the cliffs over there, all the rock. There's some people fishing down here on the bed of the river also. Gosh, what a gloriously nice, comfortable 75 degrees today here in Tennessee. We're going to be getting back in the RV and going to Nashville. I know I've done Nashville before, but we're doing something brand new this time. A few tips that I got on something big in Nashville. You guys are coming with me, so fresh air. All right, we got Tater Tot. Going good. Freeda's doing good. Checking on the kitties real quick. That's 10-4 on the Opie dopes. You gonna be doing the driving? Where's the Terror Bear? Underneath still. She knows we're not done. She's like, I know you're driving more, Dad. All right, well, I'll do all the hard work. Don't worry. You gotta move, though. I wish there was a sign somewhere that told me where I'm at or anything, because I'm just... Welcome to Nashville! The musical capital of the world here. Yeah, the last concert I went to pre-COVID was Luke Combs right here in Nashville. It's been a while. I mean, I've been to a couple other cheap concerts or free concerts. But yeah, we're in Nashville. I've been here before, so we're going to do some new stuff tonight. I want to go check out and see if we can find some food on the main drag there, so come on with me. There we go. Parking's easy. Tater Tot fits. $9 for an hour. Let's go to Broadway Street. The musical capital of the world. What do we got here? The Nashville Tractor Get Plowed. They're drinking in there, guys. Just driving a tractor down Main Street. That's awesome. We got the Pedal Taverns. They're drinking and pedaling. That's awesome. And if we look way off in the distance, you can see where the Titans, the Tennessee Titans, have lost more football games than any other pro football team in that stadium. We got Kid Rock's big honky tonk. They're playing live music here. So cool. It's like a mini little Vegas here, guys. Of course, at night, it would look so much better with all the neon signs lit up, but man, it's cool. We gotta find something to eat. We got Luke Combs Bar right there. We got Jason Aldean's Kitchen Rooftop Bar here. Let's try Jason Aldean's first. Yeah, they got live music in here, too. We got an old Cadillac up here on the roof. Let's sit at the bar up here. All right, I got the chicken tenders here. I got some barbecue sauce there. Bar food, guys. Bar food. Heck yeah. Live music up there. I love it. All right, I didn't pick the best food. That was literally bar food chicken tenders, but it is what it is. Wanted to come down here for something else, and since I'm not getting crap-faced here, it's just not as fun. So let's head over to our spot for the night. I know it doesn't look like much. We're in a very industrial area with a bunch of trailers, but the place where I'm trying to get to over there, the RV will not fit. So I've got to do some street parking out here in the industrial area. We're going to go in just a minute, but meeting some subscribers and patrons up there. Ronnie and Martin, you'll meet them in just a minute, but anyway, I got their sticker here. Orange Belly Express is their social media spot there, and I'm going to secure everything up here, and then we're going to go check out Nashville's monster working arcade with classic arcades and pinballs, and it's out here a little bit. All right, well, there's the oversized start button there. Let's head on in. I'll have to keep my clips to a minimal because they're playing music, but here we go, guys. Game Terminal here in Tennessee. Let's go check it out. Holy cow, guys, they got a full bar. Oh my gosh. I've been to a lot of arcades around the country, guys. This one is this is top notch. It's actually free to get in. It is free to play any of these classic arcades in this place, except for the pinballs. I think their cost. There's a token system, and they got a full bar. Heck yeah, I love all the old school pixelated graphics. Behind this wall here, they serve food right there. Guys, this is so cool. Look, a full bar with alcohol. Woo-wee. Yeah. And just rows and rows of games. Look, guys, Space Invaders. Oh my gosh, Michael Jackson's Moonwalker, the original there. Wacko, look how it's tilted. The screen is tilted there. Never seen that one before. Journey, I've played Journey. We're gonna play a lot of these. Food Fight is a classic game also. That's right, hanging out here with Ronnie and Martin. We're gonna play some video games. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, they have Tapper, the original Budweiser Tapper game. I know it looks weird with the effects of the old school screen there, but there's your Tapper pour, bar stool. Wow, that's cool. All right, got me a Bud Light. I'm going to start with Tapper, which is my dream game to own. Back in the day, you know, you could set your beer right here, which is what you're supposed to do. No drinks on games. Luckily, they have these beer stands, and you can bring it around with you. So put that there. Play some Tapper. All right, so I'm the bartender, and I got to deliver drinks. Make all my customers happy here. And then I gotta collect the bottles. I know there's a weird thing going on with the screen, but it's old school, it's real. They got everything. Tron, they got Burger Time! Yes! Oh my gosh. And every screen is the original screens. These have not been updated. Oh wow, they do have the Root Beer Tapper also. They have both Tapper games. Timber, Moon Patrol, Robotron, Arabian, Dig Dug, Kangaroo, Crystal Castles, Paperboy, Lunar Lander, Asteroids, Black Widow, Space Duel, Tempest, Major Havoc. That's the only one I don't know. Donkey Kong Jr., Popeye, Castlevania, Nintendo Play Choice where you pick a game, Mario Brothers, Berserk, Q*bert, Reactor, Pac-Mania, Pac-Land, Junior Pac-Man, Miss Pac-Man, my pink one that I had, and the original Pac-Man. And then these ones you have to get a token for. They have a monster selection of pinballs, guys. There's Wizard of Oz. Look at all these pinballs. There's AC/DC, Star Trek right there. Austin Powers. There's so much nostalgia. You can't even hear the individual sounds of all the machines because there's so many machines in there. I will point out a lot of these are newer pinballs. They've all got toppers. Every single game has a game topper on it here for pinball. A lot to choose from. Can't wait, guys. Look, the Simpsons original pinball machine, followed by Star Wars. All three of these. Back to the Future, the pinball machine. I just cannot believe I'm standing here next to all three of these side by side, and we could play them. They have one Playboy that I've seen so far. It's this one that I didn't have. It's a newer one. Still really cool. It's crazy. Here's another row of pinballs here, guys. There's a second bar over here. They've got, wait a minute. Oh, that's cool. They've got Mario Kart Deluxe, the one that I have for my Nintendo Switch. They've got some new stuff. So here at the pinball machines, they have little cup holders also, which I like. I'm gonna play some Batman classic TV series, 60s. So colorful. Love it. Man, the stuff they got away with back in the 70s and 80s. Whoa, Nelly. Big juicy melons ripe and ready. It was harmless, but man, that would not pass today. I love the Pass Can Crusher with the old 70s rock band. Oh my gosh. They were onto something back then, right? Man, it is difficult to catch any video in here of me playing. I've had a couple friends help me out hold the camera a couple times, but there's nowhere to like set this, you know, and play and share with you. So I've just been playing. It's awesome. It's fun. What are you playing? Flash Gordon? Yep. That's got to be 80s, right? Probably. Orbiter 1. Look at that. That's funky. It's not even a solid surface. You're like playing on Mars. Hey, you matched. Yeah, we got Guns N' Roses here. And they've got that for a shoot. I don't know what the significance of that is. I really want to play Back to the Future next. I really, really do. Hey, you're playing my Simpsons game! Oh my gosh. Classic. 16,000?
Yeah, but I'm eating my shorts.
All right, for dinner, we're going to check out a Nashville local here, Hugh Baby's Barbecue Burger and Shop. Let's go check her out. All right, I got the barbecue pulled pork barbecue burger there. May have to call the ground crew later to pick this one up off the ground. Ooh, that is really good. And cheesy fries. Cheesy fries. Ooh-wee, good food. I love meeting my subscribers and my new friends and my patrons on the road. It's so much fun. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, edit some video, and then in my next video, gonna be getting up even a little bit higher. Kentucky, Illinois. It's time, guys. It's time. You be well. I'll be in Kansas City here in about a week and a half. So if you need some RV repair work, hit up my buddy Robert over at King's Auto Mobile RV Repair. There's his number's also below. You can text him and see what he can do for you. See what he can do for me too. You guys be well. Have a good night. Bye-bye.